In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and optimize the SEO settings for your website. Whether you're keen on boosting your site's visibility or simply enhancing its performance on search engines, understanding how to tweak these settings can make a significant difference. So, let's dive in and learn how to make your site shine. First, you'll want to navigate to the appropriate section in your website editor. Start by finding the three dots or the ellipsis located on the left sidebar of the editor. Go ahead and click those. You'll see a drop-down menu where you can select SEO settings. It's important to note that the SEO settings feature is part of the platform's upgraded plans, so it won't be available if you're on a free trial. If you haven't upgraded yet, you might want to consider it for full access to these tools. Now, once you're in the SEO settings, the next step is to choose the page you want to optimize. You'll be presented with a list, and you can scroll through to find the specific page you're interested in enhancing. Clicking on that page will take you to its dedicated SEO settings. Once the page is selected, you can start adding SEO information to improve its search engine ranking. You have the option to manually enter an SEO title and a meta description. These elements are key because they provide a snapshot of what your page is about to both search engines and people browsing the internet. Ideally, your SEO title should be no more than 60 characters. This ensures that it appears correctly on search engine results pages without being cut off. As for the meta description, aim for up to 160 characters. This concise description should effectively communicate the essence of your page's content. If you're uncertain about what to write or just want to save some time, you can use the AI SEO Assistant. This handy tool can help you generate titles, descriptions, and even keywords, all tailored to boost your page's performance and relevance. Leveraging AI can add valuable precision and creativity to your SEO strategy, especially if you're not entirely confident about crafting these elements yourself. Finally, once you've added your SEO information, don't forget to save your changes. It's crucial to update your website to make these changes live, ensuring that your hard work doesn't remain behind the scenes. Updating your site allows search engines to register what you've done, giving your page a better chance at improved ranking. And there you have it. Following these steps, you're all set to optimize your website's SEO settings effectively. By doing so, you're taking an important step toward greater visibility and attracting the right audience to your site. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for your SEO journey.